It's your friendly neighborhood toaster revolutionary Sandwich Dad here again. Hello. And today we're using the Revolution Smart Toaster's Toasty Press to make a sandwich I'm calling the Croque Rueben. First we'll need a sauce. For our sauce we're going to use some mayonnaise, some Dijon mustard, a little bit of prepared horseradish, a little bit of red wine vinegar, and some shallots confit. You can also just use caramelized onions. There's our sauce. We're going to put that on both sides of some honey oat bread. Then brie cheese on both sides, followed in this case by some nice deli ham. Then some pickles, sort of juliennes to make it almost like the sauerkraut would be on a regular Reuben. Close it up, get it in our toasty press. Then we'll just select the Panini Toasty button here, hit start. Here comes two. All right. Now that's a fantastic looking toasty. Cut diagonally and reveal the Croque Rueben. It's almost like a Reuben, but more French and a toasty. Okay, taste test. Oh yes. Highly recommend you try this one. Toasty and a smart toaster. Sandwich Dad, good day!